Hello everyone. Today in this video we will discuss about the promotion mix and its decisions. Okay. So what is the promotion mix? Promotion is the specific blend of the communication channels and medium through that we connect and we try to communicate with our customer. Okay, to promote our brand value and try to increase our sales through the product and sale services. So promotion makes it just like the marketing communication tool which is influence the consumer behavior through that we through what kind of media we select and what market we targeted. Okay, the main purpose of the promotion is all about the uh, giving information about the product or service and organization with the help of promotion tools like advertising and personal selling in order to create awareness. Okay, awareness and brand value among the customer. Okay, the elements of promotion mix are advertisement, personal selling, direct selling, sales promotion and public relationship. When we talk about that advertisement means it is a paid form which company choose, and the paid form of one way communication through that we try to build up a brand value and brand image about the product and the organization. Okay, there are the three aspects in the advertisement: the message, what we want to, yeah, what company want to say to the customer, what kind of media select try to communicate with them, and third one is the target audience, to whom we are targeting to our communication. Okay, medium which can be newspaper, TV, radio. Okay, that is the medium to advertise. Second is the personal selling. Personal selling is the paid form. Okay, paid where face to face communication happens, means when the salesperson, means the company person directly communicate with the consumer and giving the information about the company and about the product or services. Okay, and try to resolve the concern about the product and services. Okay, throughout the communication and developing a relationship with the consumer to try to create an opportunity of selling and try to attempt the sales. Okay, to close the sale. The third is the sales promotion. As the element of promotion means the sales promotion is related to the paid form, means we paying paid form means we have to invest money or involvement of money is there. Okay, of short term communication means for that tool is using for the shorter period, not for the longer period, and we are trying to attract a consumer to increasing a sales by offering some incentive to the customer. Okay, that is the sales promotion, the coupons or discount, that is the sales promotion tools. Okay, the fourth one is the public relationship. Public relationship again paid form, means where the with the non personal communication. Non personal means we have not have to influence with the people who are we relating, that we try to involvement in social fair activity to creating a positive image of the communication, so they helpful in the brand, making a brand image. And fifth is the direct marketing. Direct marketing is where the personal, okay, long term communication happens. Okay, about the good and services by using the platform of like mails, business letters, okay, telephones, where they're creating a dialogue and giving the information and try to close the sale. Okay, this is the elements of promotion mix. But what is the factor which affect the promotions? There are lots of factors which is related to the each and every point. First one is the nature of the product, means what kind of product it is. Okay, right, because different types of product attract a different type of consumers. Okay, if you have commercial goods, that the nature of product is totally different from the consumer goods, where the masses promotion means lots of advertisement there is necessary. Okay, and the nature of market. Nature of market means what kind of marketing it is, means what target market and audience it is. Okay, third is the product life cycle stage, means in the product life cycle your product exiting on which stage, it is introduction stage, declining stage, mature stage. Okay, according to that we try to do promotion, because in the earlier stage, okay, means introduction stage need more advanced advertisement. Okay, need more promotion, and okay, but in the decline या maturation stage of product, we don't require we give the promotion tools on the sales promotion lines. Okay, so we focus on that tool. Then market penetration give the is all about the increasing sales. Okay, the specific increasing sale in the specific section of a target market. Okay, so how much you did the sale in the specific target market. Market sizes is all about the number of buyers are available in the market. Okay, and the next point is characteristic of buyer, means what kind of buyer it is, means it's generally related with the income and the class of the buyers. Okay, because and the second next point is distribution strategy. It's the seventh point. Distribution strategy means what kind of physical and distribution channel we are using, because when we using the commercial goods, okay, we required much more longer distribution channel where the manufacturing to wholesaler to retailer are available. So try to building a brand image in the consumer for a long run. We should focus on the more advertising rather than the shorter distribution chain. And next point is pricing strategy. Pricing strategy directly affect the promotion, because whatever pricing strategy is affect directly promotion, because the pricing more concern about the consumer. Okay, right, and that's why the consumer reaction, the approach to reach out to the consumer going to be different because of the pricing. Okay, the cost of promotion and the availability of fund is the same thing, because whatever tools we are using, what going to be cost for the promotion, because we are making the strategy for the promotion, means what marketing communication channel we are using to communicate our consumer. Okay, so the cost of promotion is we have to calculate, and we much very effect, because the budget, the expenses and required for, we can say, available fund is very limited to us. Okay, so that's why we always concern about the costing and the available funds for the promotions. So that is all about the affecting the marketing promotion decisions. Okay, and what is the promotion mix and the elements of promotion. In next video we will discuss about the market research. Thank you.